Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today, we have a PB&J Pizza. We start off with me working with my rustic pizza dough, which consists of 5 cups of flour, 1 packet of instant yeast, a teaspoon and a half of salt, 2 cups of cold water, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Then I added everything into my mixing bowl, put the stand mixer dough hook in, and let it go to town for about 10 minutes. Then I divided them into 8-ounce balls, put them in Ziploc bags individually, and let them rise and ferment and do all the wonderful stuff in the fridge for 3 days. I believe I also let the dough rise one time right after getting done with it, then punched it down, then went into the fridge. All right, and now you're into my rustic pizza sauce, which is 28 ounces of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you're sensitive to spice, you can obviously leave the quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes out. All right, as you can see here, I am dusting my pizza with a generous amount of mozzarella, just enough to cover it. Just enough, because remember, there is such a thing as a too cheesy pizza. Not a saucy enough pizza, but a cheesy enough. Then we're going to want to add some bacon to this. Everything is better with bacon, and it's one of the 3 letters of the PB&J Pizza. And by the way, if you never... Oh, by the way, you should have your oven preheated to 550 degrees. And if you've never done, like, a make-your-own pizza night, you really should. It's a great, like, family event. Get everyone involved. All right, now we're going to be adding some pepperonis to this for, of course, the P. And finally, some jalapenos. These are, of course, the pickled jalapenos. You can find them in any decently sized grocery store. What, you actually thought it was going to be peanut butter and jelly? Anyway, you want to bake this for 8 to 10 minutes in that 550 degree oven we talked about. See you at the end. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our pizza is done. So that's the PB&J Pizza. Done.